In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google form into a survey in just 3 minutes. Let's get started. First things first, we need to log in to Google Forms. If you don't have this open already, just navigate to the Google Forms website and sign in using your Google account credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll see the Google Forms dashboard in front of you. You'll want to start a new form, so go ahead and click on the blank form option. This will open up a fresh, empty form where you can begin crafting your survey. Now that we have our blank form, let's give it a name. At the top of the form, enter your desired form name. This can be anything that describes the survey you are about to create. Naming your form appropriately will help you keep track of it, especially if you have multiple forms. With the form named, let's move on to crafting our first question. In the question field, let's enter something simple like name. This will allow your respondents to identify themselves. Once you've entered the question, have a look at the toolbar, which is on the right-hand side of the screen. You'll want to click on the addition icon here, which allows you to add a new question. For our second question, let's spice things up a bit. Type in, "How is the food?" and set it to a multiple-choice question type. This format allows respondents to choose from several predefined options, making data collection a breeze. For this question, let's enrich it with some options. Type good as the first option and bad as the second. These options should cover a broad range of opinions, giving your respondents a simple way to express their views. Ready to add another question? Head back to that trusty toolbar on the right-hand side. Click on the Add Question icon again. This time, let's ask, "How is the service?" Again, set it as a multiple-choice question, which provides a consistent format throughout the survey. Just like before, let's enter our response options. Type good for the first one and bad for the second. These options will make it simple for respondents to click and participate, keeping your survey short and sweet. Once all your questions are added and you've checked that they're all correct, it's time to get your survey out into the world. Go ahead and click the Publish button. This saves all your work and makes the form ready for distribution. Once you've clicked Publish, you're all set to share the link and start collecting valuable feedback from your audience. And that's it! You've successfully created a Google Forms survey. Whether you're looking to gather feedback from friends, co-workers, or clients, this simple process can help you get meaningful insights quickly. Thanks for following along, and happy surveying.